Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how we can access Google Drive of others. Friends, if you want to access some data from Google Drive of your friend etc., then you simply need to ask them to share that particular file or folder with you on your Google Drive. Like as you can see on my screen, there is a folder that I will like to share with my other account. So to share this folder, I simply right click on it and in the options, I will click on share. Now here I simply need to enter the email address of the person with whom I want to share this folder. After entering the email address, if you want, you can also add a message or you simply need to click on send. Now friends, as you can see, there is a shared icon displayed on my folder. Now if I open my other account to which I have shared this file, now in that account I need to click on shared with me to see the folder. Now friends, as you can see, now this folder is available on my other Google Drive account. I simply open this folder and here it has all the files. So friends, like this you can very easily access Google Drive data of others. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.